This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the Scenic was slightly slower than spec. It's supposed to be 7.9 seconds. I did 7.97. I'm not sure what's up with that, but it is actually faster than Aria. Aria was supposed to be even faster on paper, but it was a lot slower. And you can see that Aria has more horsepower than Scenic, but Aria is heavier. So at least for my taste, then 8 seconds CO200 is considered slow for an EV. You can see that we have lots of entries and it is at line 127 here, so it's quite low there. When it comes to noise though, it's very good. It comes on top pretty much. You see it's line 19 here, top there. So right on par with some of the German cars, Lexus, and well, Plaid with active noise cancelling even. So yeah, there you guys have it. If you want a comfortable car, it doesn't have to go that fast, but I think it doesn't matter for people who want Renault. Then you can get the Scenic, and it has lots of space, and it has stalks and buttons. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.